Hello, what if I told you or show you a way you can roughly make at least 120k per month by designing a building plan for your clients? My name is S.A.M and I'm going to be showing you all about this training and the skill set you're acquiring, which will be more profitable for you in the long run. I'm here to teach you how to make use of Autocad and Revit software to live a comfortable lifestyle. Having worked with a lot of construction companies as a site manager and designed so many building projects, at least nothing less than 30, I want to explain how you could achieve this in this short video. This video is for you if you are looking forward to earning a living on the internet, enhance your skill as an architect or building technologist and a civil engineer, and others. In this video, AutoCAD and its components uses will be explained in details, and one of the major reasons I love this skill set is that you mustn't wait to be employed. You can easily sell off your design at Fiverr, TurboSquid and ArtStations etc. This is the major reason I love this skill set, because you mustn't wait to be employed. You can easily sell off your designs and you'll be getting paid immediately. And most of these companies do pay in dollars. Continue with the video and click on the link after watching the video in order to get the training, because the link won't be here for long.
If you are interested in computer-aided design software, you probably heard about AutoCAD, because it is a well-known software that has been around for a very long period of time now. And over the years, it became better and better and covered a wider range of uses to satisfy the needs of designers and engineers in many fields. What is AutoCAD? Created in December 1982, AutoCAD is a technical drawing software in 2D and also in 3D. In 1992, AutoCAD was developed for the Mac operating system, then for Windows in 1994. Its publisher Autodesk has made it a popular software in design and engineering offices around the world because of the huge tools and features it offers. AutoCAD is updated every year to offer users more features and better experiences with their software. Since 2004, Autodesk has launched a new version of its software every year. This versatile software offers the possibility of designing various elements and objects in 2D and 3D. Users can create their own manufacturing plans, but also create realistic images of the models by applying colors and textures. They can also animate these objects to simulate the operations of a machine or take a virtual tour in a house. In its first version, AutoCAD software was developed for mechanical engineers. However, since 2004, the software has been constantly updated to offer more features and functionality that are specific to more industries that use computer-aided design software. AutoCAD in architecture. AutoCAD Architecture is a version of AutoCAD software incorporating features dedicated to architectural production. This allows architectural professionals to develop plans for residential and commercial buildings, among other things. This version is more advanced than the basic software since it offers specific objects made for the field of architecture. Besides, with AutoCAD Architecture, any modification can be automatically updated to the elements in which it appears, and this helps for saving time and effort. AutoCAD in interior design. While AutoCAD is a recognized software in the field of architecture and construction, it is also good for space planning and interior design. It has many 3D tools and many resources that the software offers to users, such as unique materials, a rich color palette, specific arrangements, and so on. Professionals of interior design can expand their creativity and work on complete, realistic, attractive, and personalized plans to their customers. The 2D function also makes it possible to produce plans conforming to reality while adding annotations to clients or coworkers. AutoCAD in civil engineering. AutoCAD is also very useful for this type of work. With its civil 3D tools, civil engineering professionals can design plans for the construction of roads, bridges, transportation systems, and even sewer systems. They can use 3D models to create surfaces, volumes, and add materials, in addition to section drawing that help you achieve a precise and realistic result. AutoCAD for mechanical engineering. Mechanical designers who use AutoCAD prepare plans for machines and mechanical devices. With 700,000 standard parts and objects and an advanced mechanical drawing toolbar, AutoCAD users can create highly accurate 2D and 3D drawings and 3D designs that are true to the end product they will create. Everything is thought of in the software to save time and effort for its users so that industrial design becomes easier and consistent. AutoCAD for electrical engineering. AutoCAD is also an essential tool for electrical design professionals. They can prepare diagrams for use for manufacturing, installations, and repair of electronic gadgets. These drawings facilitate the installation of cables since everything is thought of beforehand, in the smallest details. AutoCAD in manufacturing. AutoCAD is also used in many industries for manufacturing. Industrial designers represent and define the objects to be manufactured. Based on strict specifications, they will calculate and determine the different parts that will constitute the final object and then virtually assemble them on a computer. These drawings will then be used to develop prototypes and marketable series. Every detail, be it the shape, the size, the color, or the material, is thought of and highlighted in the design to obtain the optimal result. Prices of different versions of AutoCAD. If you are going to use AutoCAD for educational purposes, AutoCAD encourages students by providing special versions. But if you are going to use it for professional purposes or the commercial purposes, you're going to pay according to what you need. If you want to try the software, you can get the trial version available for 30 days. AutoCAD comes in many forms including AutoCAD Standard. It is the most complete offer with all the features. You will get access to AutoCAD for Windows and AutoCAD for Mac, plus industry-specific tools for AutoCAD Architecture, AutoCAD Electrical, AutoCAD Map 3D, AutoCAD Mechanical, AutoCAD Plant 3D, AutoCAD Raster Design, and AutoCAD Web and Mobile Apps for $1,690 per year. AutoCAD LT. It is a simplified version of AutoCAD for 2D drawing that does not allow 3D modeling and visualization for $420 per year. AutoCAD Mobile App. AutoCAD Mobile App has core design and drafting tools. You can work on AutoCAD drawings anytime, anywhere, even offline, for $55 per year. AutoCAD Web App. This is an online app to edit, create, and view CAD drawings in a web browser on any computer. It comes for free with AutoCAD and AutoCAD LT.
All you just watched now is all about the video training, which is Simplified AutoCAD Mastery. This training, Simplified AutoCAD Mastery training program, which is created in mind to help individuals that requires the skill set in their various fields of interest to scale up their businesses or their income. And this training has a lot of benefits and bonuses. Then, the benefits and bonuses of this training include: number 1 says, a detailed PDF guide that is only available to the S.A.M students worth 45,000 Naira. This PDF is detailed to the extent that even without watching the video, you can read up the PDF and get to understand the symbols and also get to understand the procedures in order to use AutoCAD professionally and without seeking for any guide outside what I've taught. You can use the PDF alone to scale up your professionalism using AutoCAD. But including the PDF and also the video that is in the main course, I think you have an excellent idea in what we are going to learn or talk about in the training. Then number 2 benefit says a private webinar where I personally answer questions or share additional tips and tricks for students for easy and faster performance. So this number 2 worth 30,000 Naira. This is a place where I give room via my email or WhatsApp, any place I can talk with my students in order to get their problems personally or understand where they are having issue personally in order for me to help them and figure out the way they can scale up or move through from confusion to clarity or wherever they are having problem in learning. Then Number 3 says access to a private Telegram group where you can interact with other students and my team for questions and answers. This is a premium opportunity worth 50,000 naira, but all these are the bonuses available for anyone. All these are all these bonuses are available for anyone that will get this course. In this private group or private room, I'll be showing you, or me and my team will be teaching probably every weekend, or any place any of the students has an issue or any portion where you can understand. Me and my students, or me and my team, will be at the watch, to take you from hand to make sure that you understand what you got, or to make sure that you get the standard of what you need. Then number 4 says a full working drawing will also be available for you to copy the necessary components you can draw at the initial stage. This worth at least 20,000 naira. This is a full working drawing that will be available in the program in order for you to copy some components that you can draw at the initial stage, which will aid your designs to be professional, or it will help you, or it will make your design more professional, such as whenever someone sees your design, it will be like, this guy has been in this field for a very long time. Or at least using those components, you can beautify your drawing for better. Then when you look at this now, there are so many other unspeakable available bonuses in the training, but those I won't speak, or I won't talk about until you jump into the program for you to see the benefit of what for you to see the benefits of what I'm talking about. And total of all these bonuses shouldn't be less than 145k. It shouldn't be less than 145k, but all these are what you are going to be getting and more whenever you purchase the program. Then these are the course contents, what I will be talking about, or what will be taught on the program. Then the first one says requirements for implementation. In this requirement for implementation, it shows you the type of laptop necessary for faster performance in Autocad and the rest of that. Then number 2 says setting up Autocad software to standard unit. When we are drawing or making designs down here in Nigeria, we don't use the same units of measurement used abroad. We use our different units of measurement down here. So all this will be taught in the program. Then AutoCAD shortcut also will be taught in the program for faster performance. Then background change, creation of layers, procedure for drawing floor plans, procedure for drawing grid lines, and procedure for drawing dimension lines, procedure for casting elevations, and finally procedure for drawing roof plans. All these will be taught in the program perfectly. So after watching this, you shouldn't be getting all this in nothing less than 150k using what I mentioned above, which is all the bonuses that you're going to be getting. But I'll be giving all this away just for the sum of 10,000 naira if you buy it within the next 48 hours, which is 2 days. Or you can equally buy it at the sum of 12,000 naira after 48 hours. All you have to do is just to click on the link below. Thank you, and see you, dear friend.